It's Monday, April 13, 2020, about 10 minutes to 1 p.m. Nevada time. We're at Riverside RV Resort and Casino. Went to drain the sewer tanks this morning and learned there was a slit. As soon as I opened the valve up, woof, closed it right up and cleaned up. But learned that there was two slits, one there and one further up, somewhere in this area. Okay, well, shut it down, got our old spare 10-foot piece, and before I hooked it up to the other old 10-foot piece that takes it right to the sewer tank, Patsy noticed that there was holes in this one the same way. Let's zoom in on some of these. There's one. Come up on another, so there's a big right there, and down here, etc., etc., etc. And we did have a bad hailstorm yesterday, so I guess the hail, when it hit, somehow caused those slits. We went down to the campground store office, and they have replacement drain hoses. 10-footers were $15 including tax, and the 20-footers were $30 including tax. We got two 10s. There's been places we've been, a lot of places we've been, you need less than 10 feet length of sewer hose. Now this sewer hose says on the very top of the box for frequent RVing, yet the side of the box says weekend RVing. For weekend RVing. Either way, we're using it here for our RVing. All right, that's it. Oh, the new hose that we had, our old new hose, going with the yellow ends here. I tried to get the ends off earlier, and they seem to be glued in place. Normally they twist in and you use a clamp, either that kind of clamp or the kind that you see down here, or some other clamp, but those are the most common to connect the ends. And the end that we need to connect is that guy right there. Going to use the old one. I just brought this out to show you. And we're going to use a black end. For the other 10-foot length, we're going to use our spare reserved old hose. Okay, that's it for this one.